Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to link multiple calendars to your Calendly booking page. First, go ahead and log into your Calendly account. Now once in, on the left panel, click on Integrations and Apps. Once inside, just go ahead and search for calendars. Here you will see different calendar options that you can link to. But just a reminder that this process needs you to have an upgraded plan. So once you have it, just go ahead and click on the calendar that you want to link. For example, is this Outlook calendar plugin. In here, just go ahead and connect calendar to account. And as you can see, you need to upgrade your account to standard. Once you have that, just click on Connect Calendar Account again, and now you will be able to link that calendar to your Calendly booking page. And if you go back and click on other calendars, it's just the same for them. Just click on this Connect to Calendar Accounts. And that's just basically it. That's how you link multiple calendars to your Calendly booking page. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.